Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I cook Ofe Achi with uziza and okazileaf. Not too thick, not too light, exactly what you see on the screen. So keep watching and see what we call Achi. Let's dive into it, everyone. So first I have my cow leg, cow head, cowstrife and beef already in a pressure pot. So I'll go ahead and add my seasoning to taste, garlic ginger powder to taste, freshly chopped garlic to taste, black chili pepper, it's optional, and some salt. Then I will add my freshly chopped onions. I like onions, so I always love to add lots and lots of onions. And then I will add water because I'm using a pressure pot to cook this. So after adding water, I'll go ahead and use a stirring stick to combine. Hello, keep watching, don't go away. See how I prepare this Ofe Achi, everyone, especially those friends and families in outside Nigerian. See how you can cook this. All right, I will allow this to cook on a high flame for 30 minutes, and while that is aside, I have some blended egusi, that is melon. Keep watching and see how I use this with this achi. Then I have my yellow chili pepper, red oil or palm oil. Then I have crayfish. I have seasoning. Then this is what we call achi. It is already blended. Achi is used as a thickener for okazi soup and also oha soup. So those outside Nigeria who cannot get ede, this is alternative. So I'll also be using fresh uziza leaf, and if you've not used uziza leaf in your Ofe Achi before, try it. It gives your soup a very nice taste. And then this is okazileaf. It is already cut and is super fresh, everyone. So on another pot, I will go ahead and add my stockfish and my fish, and then add fresh yellow chili pepper. Why I did not add this to cook with a pressure pot is because it does not take time to cook, because I've already washed the stockfish with warm water, so it is not hard. So I'll add water and cover to cook. So while this is aside, the cowstrife, cowskin and beef and some stockfish that I had added is already cooked. So I'll be setting this aside, and then I will transfer the stock to the pot where I had the stockfish. I did that off camera, so the water is already added to the stockfish water, and let's continue cooking, everyone. So at this very point, I'll be adding crayfish. Crayfish is known as dry prawn, if you don't know what crayfish is. Then I will add some palm oil or red oil. And at this point, I will add water. The quantity of soup I'm making, add yours according to the quantity of soup you want to make, everyone. Then I add yellow chili. Yellow chili pepper gives your Ofe Achi another taste. In fact, it takes it to another level. Then I'll cover this to cook for 30 minutes for Ofe Miri Ofe Ofuma, so that your soup water will cooked very well and it will be very tasty. Then at this point, I'm adding my achi as a thickener, the main ingredient. Achi, some like to melt it with water, but I love to add it directly and use my turning stick to make it sink and cover it. Once you cover it, all lumps melts, as you can see after 20 minutes. everything melts. And at this point, I'm sharing a secret with you. I add blended egusi, just few of it, to brighten the face of the soup so that your face won't look dull. This is my mother's secret of making Ofe Achi, always adding a bit of egusi to make it light. And after adding it, I allow the water to cook for 10 minutes so that it blends together. So let me know at the comment section what you think about this, adding a bit of egusi to your Ofe Achi. Do you like it? Do you like the face, the appearance? It makes the soup presentable. So at this point, I'm adding my okazileaf and uziza leaf. These two combined takes your Ofe Achi to another level. It's super yummy. So our soup is almost ready. This soup can be served with any swallow of your choice, fufu, amala. The choice is yours, everyone. Well, all the ingredients will be at the comment section down, will be at the description bars down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch the ads, and share my video to your friends and family. All right, stay safe, stay connected. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.